I'll continue to show you the progress as I go along. Now that I have all of my primer on, and I did 4 coats for each countertop, I am going to apply my veins. So I shook the little cans up of my gray veins and my highlights, 2A and 2B. I shook the cans very well. I filled my water bottle up with water. And now I am going to start the veining process. All in all, I would say the Gianni paint kit was a success. I'm very happy with my countertops. They look lovely. They really do. And then, as you can see, I added backsplash on the back of the kitchen wall. Let me fan out here to show you what it looks like. For a project that I only spent about $269 for, I would say it is well worth the cost. The backsplash was $45 from Amazon, and I bought 2 boxes, and I only used like 1 1/4 box. And then the Gianni paint kit I got on sale at Amazon for $169 for a total of $269. I think my kitchen looks really nice, and I'm very satisfied with it. Show you the other side. Very happy with the result.